Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Miko. Today we will upgrade and update this car and fully restore this car. This is a silver Mercedes-Benz 300 SL 1955 car. So we will paint, update and upgrade all the parts. First, like the video and subscribe my channel for more restoration videos and car and vehicle related videos. Wait for transformation. After transformation, you will see an upgraded version of this car.